Hi, this is Shelley Kraft, and we're coming to you on SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House, California Resource Conference 2013 in Indian Wells, California. With me is Mr. Ross Glanville of Clifton Star Resources, symbol CFO on the TSX venture. Ross, welcome to SNNLive.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you having me here.
It's good to have you.
Thank you.
Now, you're the chairman.
I'm the chairman of Clifton Star. That's correct.
So tell us what's going on at Clifton Star from above and below.
Well, there's a lot going on, and there's been a lot going on in the past year in particular. First of all, I should probably say that we're located in Quebec, one of the more favorable mining jurisdictions, and in an area near Rouyn-Noranda, which is a very attractive area to be in, with infrastructure, power, roads, all near our property, which now has about 3.5 million ounces.
Oh, that's a good number in this market. That's 3.5 million ounces of gold.
That's 3.5 million ounces of gold, of which approximately half of that will be in an open pit, based on our preliminary economic assessment, which we've just completed and will be filing on CDAR in the next couple of weeks.
So, from your perspective, not only are you in a good jurisdiction, of course, with a very good amount of resource, is it mineable?
That's the key. We've obviously, based on the PEA, we believe it's mineable, and not only is it mineable, it's very attractive based on a 3-year trailing average price of gold, which is approximately $1,472, which was used in our study. That indicated a rate of return over 20% and a present value of about $370 million. That's a pre-tax number. At today's prices, it's approximately $500 million net present value at a 5% discount rate. And when you compare that, that's after paying off the capital cost of about $375 million. So that's a very attractive project. And we've done our homework in the metallurgy and resources. In particular now, about 2/3 of the resources are in the measured and indicated category, which is a very high category at the PEA, preliminary economic assessment stage. So that's a very good situation.
Well, I would imagine that where you're located, you must be considered in elephant country, correct?
Well, we certainly are, because in that area there are many mining operations, smelters and refineries. Just across the border in Ontario, in that area, they've had over 100 million ounces of gold production. There's been lesser exploration on the Quebec side, but that's coming now. On our property in particular, it produced about 1.2 million ounces about half a century ago, but that was an old technology, underground operation. We're planning this first operation will be open pit. That doesn't mean we won't go underground, but that's for the future, because these deposits continue at depth, and if one narrows up the intersections, the grades become high enough for an underground operation.
Now, I think an important question that a lot of investors are asking these days is, does the company currently, or does it expect to have enough capital to reach a promised land, so to speak?
Well, I think that's obviously the key question. We believe we do. Working capital, meaning cash minus our liabilities, approximately $10 million. That's a very significant amount of money, especially in Quebec, where we get 35% tax credits. So that allows us to spend a lot more than $13 million on the project. And that should get us to the pre-feasibility stage within the next year. And that's a very attractive position to be in, because you've defined the parameters much more precisely: metallurgy, resources, operating and capital costs. So we should still have some money left over by then, but we don't want to not finance and be out of money just after that. So with those numbers, we should be able to get more significant financing.
Ladies and gentlemen, the chairman of Clifton Star Resources, Ross Glanville. The publicly traded symbol is CFO.TSX-V. Now, what is your website?
It's www.cfo-star.com.
Ladies and gentlemen, a rising Clifton star. That's what we have here. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Cambridge House, California Resource Conference 2013 in Indian Wells, California. Ross, thank you so much for coming on.
Thank you for having me. Really appreciate it.